Hi there, my name is Akram and I'm the founder of English Period. Today I'm with my students Premdeep and Aman. So first of all, I would like Amandeep to introduce himself.
Hello everyone, my name is Premdeep Kumar and I'm working at UIDA regional office and now I'm learning English.
My name is Aman Kumar. Basically, I'm from Jamshedpur. Currently, I'm in Ranchi. Currently, I'm pursuing Bachelor's of Commerce with focus on International Accounting from St. Xavier's College, Ranchi.
ठीक है, वेरी गुड. नाउ यू कैन सी द टॉपिक मॉडर्न लाइफस्टाइल. तो ये एक बहुत ही ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक है और लेट्स सी कि ये कैसा इनका अप्रोच रहता है आंसर में. वी हैव बीन लर्निंग अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. वोकैबुलरी से लेकर ग्रामर और साउंड से लेकर बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम सीखते आ रहे हैं. सो आई हैव टू सी कि कैसा ये ग्रो कर रहे हैं, हाउ दे आर ग्रोइंग, हाउ दे आर लर्निंग. तो इस टॉपिक पे बहुत सारे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस होंगे जो कि ग्रामेटिकल रेंज को भी कवर करेंगे, वोकैबुलरी को भी कवर करेंगे, कॉलोकेशन हो गया, कंपाउंड वर्ड्स हो गए, बहुत सारे टेंसेस हो गए, सब देखेंगे. तो सबसे पहले मैं अमन से पूछना चाहूँगा, अमन, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से अबाउट मॉडर्न लाइफस्टाइल?
So, from my point of view, modern lifestyle give people to bring convenience, comfort, and side by side, it gives a chaotic situation with respect to their relationships and health. And along with that, we have to, from my opinion, we have to make balance between the modern life and our initial life.
So if I ask, do you personally like modern lifestyle?
So, we are the Gen Z generation, so I like the personal modern life.
What is special about modern lifestyle?
So in modern lifestyle, we get the access about the modern things and modern opportunities. We are opt from the our environment and other factors.
Okay, let's listen from the man sitting next to me. Yes,
Yes, sir.
what's your view on the same?
Sir, actually everything has two phases like advantage or disadvantage. We have we have now living in a modern lifestyle, modern days. Now these days we are using lots of things benefits in our modern lifestyles like our health related and education related many things which we learn in our modern lifestyle.
वेरी गुड. यहाँ पे एक चीज़ नोटिस करने वाली है. इन्होंने कहा वी आर यूजिंग अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. अब यहाँ पे क्या है, ये चेंज है. तो मैंने कहा था कि दिस टॉपिक इज गोइंग टू कवर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस में चेंज की बात करनी होती है तो हम एज एम आर के साथ आई एन जी यूज़ करते हैं, यानी कि पॉपुलेशन इज इंक्रीजिंग डे बाई डे. वी आर यूजिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजीज दिस डेज. तो ये बहुत अच्छा आपने यूज़ किया टेंस. सो नाउ द सेम क्वेश्चन, डू यू पर्सनली लाइक मॉडर्न लाइफ स्टाइल?
Yes, sir. I have liked modern lifestyle because of we are uh, growing day by day in these days with modern activities.
ठीक है, वेरी गुड. नाउ द अदर क्वेश्चन जिसका आंसर ये भी करेंगे, व्हेन यू कंपेयर द मॉडर्न लाइफस्टाइल टू एंशिएंट लाइफस्टाइल, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस?
Yes, sir. Earlier we used to our tradition. Previously, we were wearing uh, uh, normal type of clothes,
Okay.
and we don't have didn't have any means protective clothes. And
Okay.
now it's modern lifestyle. We have a lot of changes in our dressing sense and cultural things.
Okay. So, Aman, do you see eye to eye with him?
Yes, sir, I see eye to eye with him, but I would like to add something. I see the modern lifestyle, our previous lifestyle and modern lifestyle in an innovation manner, which innovated from the what are living us earlier or what are living today. Everything, every perspective have us different types, such that in previous life we have a better health, we have better environment, we have better uh, convenience
Okay.
of the any food and anything. But now the cutting era is going on. The people are trying to taking shortcut of their living standard and comparing with the society themselves to have their at the up standard level and set their benchmark, so that they are not giving to their families time to the families and other things. And it called that it we can say that it is a life imbalance. So it take very bad impact in our health, in our society, in our coming generation. But everything is a two things in it is a
Every
very
coin has two
every coin
sides.
has a two sides. But it is very important to have a innovation. Through that we have to make a habitual about the facing the challenges and other things.
Okay, a lot of people nowadays are living a lethargic lifestyle. Do you think modern lifestyle has caused this kind of situation?
Yes, sir. I think, sir, because, sir, I initially mentioned the point. We are facing the competition with our own society. We are comparing the peoples with the other peoples, what they're wearing, what they're having, what they're earning. We have to earn more from there. We have to wear better from there them, and we have to improve our lifestyle from there.
Okay, let's listen from Amandeep, Ramdeep on the same point. People are people are living a lethargic lifestyle. Means they are just lying and eating, watching television.
Yes, sir. Yeah, actually, this is a good way. We switch our modern lifestyle, but somehow it's going wrong with uh,
So many,
so
so many technology.
yes, we in this modern lifestyle we use a lot of many lot of things in technical ways, and it's easy to our work speed and
Yeah,
flow
it makes our work easier.
easier, but it caused it
Cause obesity or
is
something like that.
yes, sir.
Yeah, a lot of people now are not a lot of people are doing physical activities.
Yes,
They are just using machines
machines like
and things
phone,
like
and
that.
yes, sir. And activities is finished in our daily life.
Okay, very good. Now there is a question. Even though we have so many technologies,
Yes.
how do you manage to live a style that is balanced?
Yes, sir. Actually, we have used both means use our machinery things, or we do our activities at same time. Like sometime we go with a machine, and we go, and sometime we go with our health.
Individual efforts, huh?
Yes, sir. Individual efforts.
Physically. Okay, very good. What's your say on the same?
Sir, from my point of view, sir,
No,
in
the question is that
yes, sir.
how do you make a balance?
Okay, sir. So we have to manage our resources with respect to our work time, or with respect to our near and dear ones. And sir, from and the example I want to give is, uh, in initially the people have only do work and oh,
When it comes to you, sorry to interrupt you, when it comes to you, how do you make a balance? Like you have to use both
okay, sir.
technologies and sometimes you have to make individual efforts using a stamina that is called physical activities. How do you make a balance?
So we have to manage all the things at about a time, and we have to balance in a proper way, so we can make our extract resources in an effective and efficient manner. So we in today's era, in technology we can say that gym, we the big MNCs and big companies are providing their employees to go gym and do work.
Okay, very good. In modern lifestyle, people are doing a lot of trivial things. For example, scrolling reels, using social media too much. Do you do this kind of things on a daily basis?
No, sir, I'm not in daily basis, sir.
Okay, it's not my cup of tea.
It's not my cup of tea, sir.
Okay, so what do you do?
Sir, I from some my thinking is we do everything but in a limit. Okay, we don't make our things in a chaotic situation. We If we become a chaotic situation, we is very hard to, and become very hampered to manage anything.
Very good. Suppose that you don't watch a lot of reels or videos on social media. How do you utilize the same time?
I given that time in my studies and in my health and my what steps are pending to do.
Very good. Okay, Premdeep, we have so many technologies,
Yes, sir.
gadgets
Okay.
to study. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so even though we have so many resources and technologies, do you often study using technologies?
Yes, sir. I usually using technologies
Use
uh,
technology, okay?
while we study, while we searching anything in internet. Everything we are using technical resources.
So it means like modern lifestyle is somehow good using the technologies.
Yes, sir. It is good, but somehow it's going bad.
In what way it is bad
Uh,
with respect to education?
yes, sir. With respect to education, it's been. most of articles in our education way, most of articles is updating wrong.
Let's I'm giving you a hint. For example, there is ChatGPT.
Yes, sir.
There was a time when we used to rack our brains to find a result using some search queries.
Yes, sir.
But now we have ChatGPT. So ChatGPT, we just have to type and the result is there. So racking your brains is a kind of physical activity.
Yes,
But
sir.
now we have technologies,
Yes, sir.
also ChatGPT. So just we are going to type and there are results in no time.
Yes, sir.
So do you see this as a positive development or negative one?
Yes, sir. It is a positive development because it's save our time. But but it is but it is what it's mean our mental
It also
mental
affects our mental
mental, yes, sir.
ability. Okay.
Our thinking ability is very low through this ChatGPT.
Okay, let's listen from the man. What do you want to say? Like we have ChatGPT. For example, if I have to search for something, I can type and get the result. But at the same time, I can also use my brain.
Yeah. Sir, as usual, sir, using our brain or using our any part of our body is like a physical activity, and it is very good for us to use our things. But we are now a generation are dependent upon the AI generation, become the AI generation. They totally depend upon the other things. And
If I say कि क्या सर्च करना है, ये भी तो एक mental work है ना.
yes, sir.
Like for example, while using ChatGPT, I have to rack my brains what I have to search.
So,
So it means I am doing both the things. I am using technologies plus applying my brain at the same time.
sir, for a small things we can do ChatGPT, but we have to gather a knowledge in a. But sir, I would like to add point. ChatGPT has a not emotions and not any human instinct that that he reflect to us, give to us. So that's why the somewhere ChatGPT is making take a lack to fulfill the human demands and human wants.
Okay, if you have to recommend people going and using the resources from the ancient lifestyle, would you recommend?
Definitely, sir, I will recommend them.
Why? Explain.
So because they in initially our ancestors have a better health they are health conscious and have a good food. They are and they manage their time to give their family to give their near and dear ones, spend time with their kith and kins.
But we have so many machines that we can check on the progress, like what my blood level is, what my fitness level is. There are so many things.
Yes, sir.
So I can say like modern technologies are helping us to live a better lifestyle. Do you
But
agree or
sir, I am
not?
partially agree with your point, but sir, somewhere we are we are in mind we are having a not having a better healthy life, so we are dependent upon the machines to check our blood pressure, to check our health, to check our sugar and other things. So we have to first of all we have to our improve our diet, and we have to consume better foods. Initially in our ancestors and grandpas and grandmas, why they live 100 years or 102 years, they have a better food, they have a better lifestyle, they have a peace of mind.
Okay, even though we have so many technologies, still we are worried about life
Yes, sir.
and things related to it. For example, earlier people did not care about their sugar level, A level, that time. But now we have so many technologies and still we are worried. What is the root cause?
Sir, this generation is a race of generation. Everyone is trying to give their 100%, 101%, and the big thing is that, sir, they are to show show to their society what we are doing. They are doing show off to and for do this they are working hours and hours ago. They not give time to their health and to their near and dear ones. So they give big impact to their health, and it's called the life imbalance.
Okay, very good. Premdeep, what would you like to say on the same topic? Like, even though we have so many technologies, still we are worried about health and things associated with health.
Yes, sir. It's totally depending on our activities and what we do in our daily life activities. In these days, we are surrounded from the many types of technologies, and the main point is our environment, which is now these days we see the our atmosphere. It's very warm. That's why it's also matter in our physical health, and many vehicles are running on the roads, and many types of yes, many types of factory open in our nearest areas. It's totally depending on
Okay, okay, let's conclude. Tell me one positive and negative thing. Tell me one positive and one negative thing about modern lifestyle.
the positive thing is the technologies in modern lifestyle. It saves our time, and the disadvantage of the modern life, we have a health issue.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much. Now can you conclude one positive and one negative thing about modern lifestyle?
So first of all, I would to consider the positive point. The positive point is the modern life era provides the people in a convenience and comfort to get anything get anything access in a easily manner. And thus a negative thing is in modern life era, people are used to have the rat rackles. They had having a race to become a prior one and set a benchmark, so that can be show their society. For that they are not focusing to their health, to their family, to their other factors which are very essential for them.
Okay, very good. Now tell me your experience about today's session.
So today's session is quite very good, and through that session we are generate our new ideas, and it is very mind boon for me, sir.
Okay, very good. What about you?
So today's session is too good. In this session, we learn how to suddenly express our mindset.
Views. Okay, very good. तो डियर व्यूवर्स, ये रहे दोनों स्टूडेंट्स बेसिक बैच के हैं ना, लाइक दे आर स्टिल न्यू लर्नर्स, दे आर लर्निंग द लैंग्वेज फ्रॉम द वेरी बेसिक्स. तो आप बताएं कि इनका कॉन्वर्सेशन कैसा लगा, कैसे पॉइंट से, और ये कैसे लर्न कर रहे हैं, और मॉडर्न लाइफस्टाइल के अलावा आप और कौन से टॉपिक हैं जिन पे हम डिस्कशन कर सकते हैं, आप रेकमेंड कर सकते हैं. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड सी यू. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर.